Oh my gosh, you guys, I've had the craziest start to my day. I've been running around like a madman. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. I haven't even had time for lunch yet. It's just been like insanity. But I have quite a few things here that I want to show you, so wanted to pop in. First of all, I am super excited because I got a giant delivery from Every Table today. So Every Table is actually a restaurant that I've visited before, and what I really like about it is they base the price of their food on the location of the restaurant. So if you live in a more low income area, they charge less, versus if you live in a high income area, they charge a little bit more. So I think that's really cool. Their whole thing is just making sure that everyone can eat good and healthy food no matter what amount of money you make. So they kindly sent me so many meals here. I am so excited. They let me pick them out so that they were all things that I'd be interested in. I like don't even know where to begin because I'm so excited. But let me show you all of these. There's so many. We have a Trap Kitchen curry chicken bowl, and this one is meant to be eaten warm. Sesame teriyaki chicken, turkey taco bowl. This one looks amazing. Chickpea tikka masala. All of these are meant to be eaten warm, so they have warming instructions for them. And then here are a few salads. So I got a barbecue chicken salad, which I saw is one of their newer ones. And then 2 Chinese chicken salads, because that's like my favorite kind of salad in general. So I definitely want to have one of these. I'm thinking that I'm gonna have one of the salads because that feels lunchy, and then we'll try the dinners a different day. But I think I'm gonna try one of the Chinese chicken salads just because I have 2 of them. So that'll be good. Only 590 calories, and that includes the dressing that they have in here. And basically purchasing from them helps to open stores in underprivileged areas, which is just really cool. I just love what they're doing. I just think that they're a really cool organization, and one that I support outside of like them sending me these things. I had gone to them years ago multiple times, so very excited about that. Let's pop this guy open. We can try it. I guess my one and only criticism of this would be it is sort of a lot of plastic, but it looks like these bowls are the biodegradable ones, so that's definitely good. Yum, that is actually a really big salad. It looks so much bigger now that it's out of that container. I love Chinese chicken salads so much. They're so delicious. Loading it up with dressing, obviously. This is gonna be so good, such a game changer. Big thank you to Every Table for like hooking me up with lunch and dinner for a good little while here. Many hours later, guys, I am just having such a busy day, such a busy week. It's like these past couple weeks have been just so out of control, and if this continues, I have absolutely no clue how I'm gonna get through Vlogmas. I don't know. I'm gonna have to vibe out how it goes. Oh my god. Okay, it is 7 p.m. now. I'm going to head over to Connor's. I just changed it to a long sleeve because it's like cold and rainy out. Miracle. I might like put a hoodie on because I'm afraid that it might be raining out, like actually raining. Tomorrow I have like a ton of stuff to do, so I'm just wearing like my outfit for tomorrow over there. That way I don't have to bring a change of clothes or leave anything at Connor's. Only other thing I'm bringing is a pair of shoes to change into because I want to wear heels tomorrow. Even though it's gonna be rainy all day, so that's a terrible idea as well. Okay, let's find us a hoodie. I really don't have many actual hoodies. No, I have this one. This one's so obnoxious, but like whatever, I don't really have another choice. So here we are. Bright neon sugar rush hoodie. I haven't worn this in a very long time. I'll check in with you guys when I am over at Connor's. Connor and I are taking advantage of Disney Plus, obviously watching some Camp Rock. This is just like, oh, she's very embarrassed. Thank you, we're having wine. Connor is making us grilled cheese and tomato soup for dinner. Delicious for a nice chilly night like this. Okay, grilled cheese and soup, which looks so good. And we're watching Pixar shorts, which is just like a great use of my time, honestly. This lava one is so cute. Thanks for making dinner, Con. Yeah, agreed. Okay, guys, it is a few days later. Happy Friday, TGIF. What a week I've had. Obviously, just put a mask on. I'm filming a skincare video today. When I mentioned this, a lot of you said that you were into it. Obviously, my skin has cleared up so much. I'm so happy with what I've been doing. So I'm sort of sharing all the things I love about my skincare, including masks, not just like what I do on the daily. Anyway, so I'm just uploading a new vlog right now. Damn, I just have this cough. It's just a cold or allergies or whatever. It's nothing crazy. I got my flu shot last weekend. Luckily my arm is feeling better now. It was like very like stiff and sore. That's how I know it's all good. I'm not like sick. Poor Tara, she's been sick all week. Where's Connor? I texted him like hours ago. I texted him, hello, I demand your attention. Poor man's at work. He's probably like, Jill, please. You know, just girlfriend shit. By the way, thank you to everyone who has purchased holiday merch so far. I am so excited. Orders started to go out, so people should have probably received by now, which is really great. I'm just so excited. I really like the holiday merch that I created this year, and so I'm happy that you guys do too. I'll probably wait until this mask is done and then check in with you guys when I'm figuring out what I'm gonna have for lunch. Probably a salad. Nothing new or special. Oh my god, you guys, I suck. I didn't show you what I made for lunch. I'm so sorry. It literally just occurred to me right now and I was like, damn. It's a really good chickpea tikka masala rice dish from For Every Table. I really liked it. I'm sorry that I didn't show you. I promise I'll try to do better at dinner. Although I always forget to show stuff at dinner too when I'm eating out, but I'm gonna try to do better. It is so many hours later. But I really was just working all day, so nothing special. And now I'm about to head out to dinner with Connor. We're gonna hop on the metro and head over to Hollywood because that's where the new restaurant we're trying is. Very excited to try something new here. Hi, Molly. I feel like I'm never vlogging when I take the metro, but hi, I do that when I can. Better for the environment, better for my wallet. It's good stuff. To our restaurant.
We think.
Maybe down here. Maybe it's around the other side.
Right
oh yeah, here we go. Enter through the alley. Oh, thank you, appreciate it. Okay, here we are. Probably in here somewhere. Oh yeah, Beauty in Essex. This is so beautiful. Here we are. Oh, thank you, appreciate it.
Look at that.
I know, right? Wow. Thank you.
Yes, you guys have a great night. Enjoy.
Thank you. Just checking out this outdoor patio. Look at how pretty it is. This is like a great restaurant.
Does it not feel like a little New Orleans?
It totally does. Yeah, not that either of us have ever been there, but this is what I imagine. Yeah. It's in this like really cool hallway down here. This is like so gorgeous. It's like my dream. I love it. So beautiful here. Okay, first bits of food arrived. We also got a bottle of wine. This is the, I love you just dancing in the background. This is the grilled cheese bites, which like look insane. They smell so good.
In a tomato base.
Yeah, like
grilled cheese bites.
So
Are you kidding me?
And then these are tuna ceviche tacos, which also look just insane. I'm so excited for this.
My kind of gourmet food.
Right? Me too. Okay, we're gonna try the grilled cheese bites. Cheers.
Cheers. Chin chin.
Chin chin. Oh my god, that is so good.
One of my favorite things ever. So bread, cheese, and fish.
So good. Hello friends, it is a few days later and Connor and I are currently on our way to Friendsgiving. Gonna be a great time. We are bringing macaroni and cheese, which we've already tasted and it tastes like heaven.
And we're bringing a lot of it.
Yeah, I mean, we really overdid it on the mac and cheese. It was a lot. Like the thing like probably weighs like 4 or 5 pounds. It's like mac and cheese.
Good problem to have.
Yeah. And that is also taking into account the actual like container itself.
And how much Potter eats.
True.
I assume he's gonna eat a lot.
Yes. We're also bringing guac and some White Claws, and we're having turkey and mashed potatoes and all sorts of stuff. Everyone's bringing something. It's gonna be a really good time. So that's where we're heading tonight to, you know, get another turkey dinner in. All right. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of like it.
I like it too. I think it's nice. Yeah. Anyway, we're at Brendan's.
Lights in here. Lights? You already have lights in there.
I know, but I could bring some in here. Oh. That was
Hi.
my mouth.
Sorry, the camera just finds me.
We are here, things are happening. Just finished making this guacamole, which is really good. We're snacking on that. The mac and cheese is in the oven, and so is Katie's corn pudding. We have pies, we have a turkey, we have mashed potatoes, we have broccoli, all sorts of delicious things. I'm so excited. Yay! Love it. Carving the turkey.
Wow.
It looks so good. I'm very excited for this. This is looking so good. It's like a proper... Take it off. Take it off. Cheers! Yay!
What a mix of hands.
All right, let's eat.
Oh, there.
Hell yeah. This looks so good. I'm so pumped. Oh my god, I didn't even have room for the mac and cheese yet. True. Yep, cooks. Oh my god. Oh my god. I literally cannot deal. Wow.
Work it, work it.
That's very good.
Earn it, earn it, earn it, earn it.
3, 2, 1, and cut. Perfect. That was really good. I'm really impressed. So we're playing Mario Party. Connor and I are on a team and we're gonna dominate.
I'm winning!
Oh my god, I feel bad for whoever's on your team.
It's Zach. It's Zach.
I'm sure he's pleased. Just upset. What?
Wait, how do I...
Finishing our night with some pie. A little 12:30 a.m. pie, never hurt anyone. Alrighty, we're back home. And it's like 1:30 in the morning, so definitely time for bed. But this is gonna be the very last vlog before Vlogmas begins.
A tough Mario Party loss tonight.
I know, yeah, Connor and I lost after doing really well. But people were targeting us.
We deserved it.
We worked really hard. We strategized, we worked well together.
I agree.
And
The
team,
next one's ours.
And the team that won are the only 2 people who had played that version of the game before,
Yeah.
so cheaters. I'm only doing 1 vlog this week in preparation for Vlogmas because it's about to be 24 vlogs, so definitely.
I think you're doing your side.
Yeah.
Fair share.
Exactly. So I will see you guys on December 2nd for Vlogmas Day 1.